Hey guys, it's Gary. Time for another legal tip. This one I get at least once or twice a year. Is something a holiday and how's it going to affect us? Well, October 11th is Columbus Day. Federal government is closed because it is a federal holiday. It means the Federal Reserve will also be shut down, so there won't be wires going through. So that does mean that it is unlikely that you will be able to do any closings on October 11th because the Federal Reserve's closed. You're not going to be able to do wires. Most of our banks and lenders will be closed, so you won't be able to get funding numbers and be able to disperse. Now, there could be some closings for cash deals, perhaps, if those monies are already seasoned and in the bank, and you may also have some refinances and things of that nature. But for the most part, won't have closings on Monday, October 11th, because it is Columbus Day. Now, how does this affect contractual rights? Well, under the Central Carolina Realtors Association contract, the term business day is used throughout that contract. And a business day is defined as any day of the week that is not Saturday, Sunday, or a federal holiday. Well, Columbus Day, like MLK Day, is in fact a holiday. And so you don't count it any more than you count a Saturday or Sunday. So when you do your countings for due diligence periods ending, for responding for certain things, for applying for mortgages and stuff, anytime you have a time frame that says something must be done within blank number of business days under the Central Carolina Realtors Association contract, you're going to count that day as if it's a Sunday, which means it doesn't get counted in any of our counting procedures. Now, in the CCRA contract, that's how you're going to do it. The state contract is quite different. The state contract really doesn't use business days. Throughout the contract there, it is mainly using a fill in the blank. So you're going to be writing a date, such as due diligence will end on October 15th. Due diligence will end on October 20th. It's not talking about business days, and business days are not defined. So looking through the state contract, I really don't see where it will affect anything of that nature. Now, if somebody might have put a closing date as October 11th, and we can't close on that day because it's a federal holiday, I think you would be covered under that because the banking systems aren't open, and therefore it'd be an impossibility to close. But it would be a good time to go ahead and reach out to your other side and say, hey, we need to go ahead and get a contract addendum. Obviously, we can't close on the 11th because it's Columbus Day. Let's get an extension to the 12th. All right, so I hope that helps everybody understand what you're looking at when you're looking at October 11th. It is a federal holiday. It will mean that we aren't doing many closings, and it does have tremendous adverse effect on the contract with CCRA. State contract, not as much, but you do need to be aware of what's going on with that. All right. Hope everybody has a wonderful Columbus Day coming up Monday the 11th. And I look forward to seeing you all at the next closing at Blair Cato Pickering Cash Line. Thanks, guys.